Efficient? There's a better way. While Ethernet is firmly established at the control and management levels, proprietary bus systems and discrete cabling with expensive gateways and remote I/O still dominate at the field level. But this gap is now being closed with single-pair Ethernet, IP-based Ethernet communication from the sensor all the way to the cloud. Instead of 2 or 4 wire pairs, single-pair Ethernet, SPE for short, uses just a single wire pair. At the same time, all the functionalities of the Ethernet protocol remain intact. This provides a wide variety of industries with end-to-end IP-based communication technology. SPE makes Ethernet simple and future-proof and offers significant advantages. Quick installation and minimal space requirements. No additional gateways or protocol converters. Increased bandwidth compared to existing field bus solutions. Higher ranges, 500 meters up to 100 megabits, 1000 meters up to 10 megabits, as well as multi-drop support for shorter distances. Optimally equipped for cybersecurity. Plus, support for OPC-UA, Profinet, Ethernet IP, and all other Ethernet-based protocols. The result? SPE is the cross-industry key technology for the Industrial IoT. The old hierarchical device structure is being replaced by a multitude of smart devices, consistently standardized and networked from the sensor all the way to the cloud. Would you like to be part of this future? Then take the next step now and visit weidmüller.com/SPE for all further information.